confident. Suppose you are working in the company, you are here and there, you are anywhere. So definitely it is very hard to speak up in front of anyone. But there is no parent. Your parent only and only can cheers to you, can appreciate you, can try to boost your confidence. But you will have to be your guider, and how to be a good guider when you will try to appreciate. And while appreciating yourself, you will say to yourself, whatever you're doing, you are doing the best way. It means you will have to think positively, and you will have to think positively as well as you will think whatever you are doing, it is all good. Do not think it is not good. If you will think, then definitely the quotes go down, and how to get the down, you will think that you can. So if you want to create this situation to yourself, not or can, definitely nobody can help you to boost your confidence. But if you will try to think positively, and definitely you will think that you can, definitely this process, this believing working in your life as a miracle. So of course you are the persons to do it miracle, real miracle in your life. So of course by that things you can get the confidence. And the second, which is very important, doing practice, doing hard work. By that the practice only and only you can work on your confidence. You can erase your lacking of the confidence. Somehow you are hesitating, you are nervous. It is okay, you will be confident. Thank you so much. So that you can think about to create the atmosphere for the speaking, public speaking. But the thing is that while we are doing to give you that the platform. And of course it is really hard to create the platform, but definitely you can create the atmosphere or environment of platform by yourself. You don't need to go here and there. So we are here at Lakshmi Nagar at the pillar of 34. First of all, welcome at the channel of Awesome Blossom English Nana. So Arvind, do you have any question for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please shoot your question.
Ma'am, how we can get confidence in public place? Any unknown person or any person in a confidence.
OMG. That is why I'm just conducting this session, so that of course you can put your words in the public place. You also can communicate with anyone of us. But why is it really hard? Because of that, the lacking of the confidence. If you are so much confident, definitely you can communicate with everyone, and you can deliver your speech in front of the public. Either the speaking on the express round, the speaking on the table topic, the speaking on the prepared round. Just meet my friend Lakshay. He is so much innocent and sweet. I really love him because of that his innocent and simplicity. But the thing is that when I conducted 2 days session, that time second session and third session, he was just so much scared. He was feeling scared. But today he is so much confident. Why? Somehow when you will give to yourself some opportunity, and you will have to grab the opportunity, then you can say that you did. But if you don't have the experience, and if you will not do it, then how you can say that the confident? So confidence comes by the practice. When you will do it, then definitely you will get it internally confident. But the first question is how to gain the confidence. So I would love to tell you, for gaining of the confidence, there is no medicine. There is no money, nothing can help you to gain the confidence, to boost your confidence. Only and only you are the one person to create the confidence in you. How? When you are trying to speak on the speaking panel, at that time, try to speak with full of confidence. And how to go with the full of confidence? You will have to speak with belief. You will have to keep belief in you, and you will have to think about it. Just put it yourself first. You will have to be very selfish. If you will think about the people, definitely you will lose. Somehow you will find to losing your confidence. But if you need to boost your confidence, do not think to any one of us. Do not think about anything that you cannot do it, or you can. You will have to try at least once. and after once experience you will have a little courage, like maybe -1, -0.1, but after 1 point and the 2 point and the 3 point, then it will be around 90. So when you will adapt 90, of course it will be 100, but it's not easy. You cannot write down in the counting number directly 100. If somebody is giving you task to write down the counting, you will have to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will reach after 99. Then you will have to reach at the number of the 100. Similarly, this is also happen with that all skills. If you want to adapt or you want to gain or you want to boost the confidence, then definitely it would be only by the practicing, keeping belief and doing positively. Do not think about the negatively. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for what?
I am ready for speaking English.
Wow, that's good. Please continue. That's the same topic on the prepared advertisement. Please carry on.
Hello everyone, my name is Arvind. Today my topic is advertisement. Advertisement is very important role for our business and business sales and many different places are very important role playing advertisement. Business in we know when we sells we sells our product, then we need to advertise, then our product aware many people and economy in very important role advertisement, because when we know our economy what growing or not and showing many people to our economy and people impressed our advertisement and our product sell increase and
Arvind, are you ready?
yes ma'am,
Are you ready for what?
I am ready for speaking English.
That's good.
In
Do you know the
fluently.
topic?
Yes ma'am, I have one topic.
Yeah.
That our advertisement.
Yeah.
What is
Advertisement. Advertisement. So you will
Importance
have
of advertisement.
exactly. You will have to speak on the topic. It is the table topic. You already prepared it before 5 minutes, and you will have to speak up. Mic is now over to you.
Advertisement is very important for business, economy, and many different angles. Advertisement is very important, because without advertisement we cannot sell our product and we cannot increase our business and we cannot improve our product also, because we know we want to increase our business, then we increase our business, then we need to advertisement, because without advertisement we cannot aware many people and sales also. When we want to sell our product, then advertisement is a very important role make that sales and